Hi, welcome to Learn Easy. Let's get into this examination type of question, which is based on molecular size of oleic acid experiment, which we have seen in our previous video. So let us use that same analogy to solve this problem. Before solving any problem, what I said before, you need to underline the important data is available in the problem, draw the required diagram if any, and finally you solve the problem. If you want to know more about how to solve the question and how to extract the data from the question, you can refer one of my videos. Now let's start solving this problem. A drop of olive oil of radius 0.25. Therefore, let the radius of olive oil equals to, what is this, 0.25 mm, spreads into a circular film of diameter 20 centimeter. So just write it, circular film diameter, okay, circular film diameter equals to 20 centimeter. So radius of olive oil be small r and the circular film diameter, let it be capital D. This is a given data. What it is asked, size of the oil molecule. They have asked what is this size. They don't know the size, so they need to understand what is the size. So you can see that this problem is similar to what we have solved in the previous classes, the molecular size of oleic acid experiment. So let us use that experiment and solve this problem as well. So we know that we have a large trough, nothing but a large bucket which is filled with water. A small drop of olive oil is dropped into the water. So let's say this is filled with water. Okay, this is all filled with water. A drop of olive oil is dropped into the trough. Then the olive oil spreads on the surface of water, forming a small film on the surface of the water, okay, which is circular in shape of some particular diameter, capital D, which is 20 centimeter given. So based on this method, now let's try the formula. But before writing that, have you seen that we need to change the units? Because without changing the units, your answer may not be accurate. Therefore, let us change the units first. So regarding videos on changing units, please click the link above. 1000 millimeters equals to 1 meter. Therefore, for converting a smaller unit to a bigger unit, you need to divide. Therefore, I am dividing this whole value 0.025 into, I am dividing it by 1000 to convert this into meter. So instead of writing divided by 1000, I am writing as 10 raised to minus 3 meter. So this whole thing changes into meter after this. Again, D is the circular film diameter, 20 centimeter. Now I need to convert centimeter to a bigger unit, meter. I need to divide. Divided by what number? We know that 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. Therefore, if I divide this term by 100, I will get what is called meter. So dividing by 100, I can also write it as 10 power minus 2. The whole thing has been changed to meter. Now we are safe with the unit conversion, and now let's solve the problem. We know that from the oleic acid formula, thickness is equal to volume of oil, alright, divided by area of film. This is thickness, or can also be said as size. Don't get confused between thickness and size. If the thickness is of 1 molecular layer thick, that means if it is a monomolecular layer or 1 molecular thick, then the thickness can also be called as size. So in this question, it is not mentioned whether it is a monomolecular thick or it is much more how many thickness, it is not mentioned. Since it is not mentioned, we will assume that this thickness is one monomolecular layer or one molecular layer. Therefore, this can also be called as the size of the acid. Now let's solve this problem. We know that volume of oil divided by area of the film. So volume of the oil, what is the volume of the oil? We know that the oil, the drop of oil which we dropped on the trough, the drop is spherical in shape. So we need to find the volume of this sphere now. Volume of the oil is nothing but volume of the sphere drop. So volume of this, what is the volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube, small r cube. We know that small r is the radius of the olive oil, therefore small r cube divided by what is the area of the film? We know that film is circular in shape, so area of the circle is equal to pi r square. So pi into capital R square, pi r square. Let capital R be the radius of the film. This is d is equal to nothing but capital R divided by 2. Agreed? Now let's solve this problem now. 4 by 3 into pi into r cube. What is r cube? Small r cube, 0.25 into 10 power minus 3 the whole cube divided by pi into capital R square. What is capital R? Capital R, nothing but d divided by 2. So I am just writing as it is 20 by 2 divided, means 20 divided by 2 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2 the whole square. This is the whole square, pi r square, right? So that is whole square. Alright, the next step is just simplifying it. 4 by 3 I am taking it outside, pi and pi gets cancelled, so 0.25 into 0.25 into 10 power minus 3 and 3, it's minus 9, the whole divided by 20 divided by 2, 20 divided by 2 is 10. So 10 into 10 power minus 2 the whole square. Instead of writing 10 into 10 power minus 2, I can write as 0.1, isn't it? So again I am going to extend it here. 4 by 3 into 0.25 into 10 power minus 9 the whole divided by 10 into 10 power minus 2. Instead of writing like that, I can also write 0.1, isn't it? The whole square. Yes, 0.1 the whole square. So 0.1 into 0.1 the whole square, we get 4 by 3 into 0.25 into 10 power minus 9 the whole divided by 0.1 into 0.1 square is equal to 0.01. Okay, so finally what you get when you solve this thing? So approximately 3 by 4 you get around, if it is divided by 2 you get around 2.08 into 10 power minus 9 meter. This is the size of the oleic acid, size of the oil molecule. So this is nothing but T or nothing but size, alright, size of oil molecule.
Thank you for watching. Support us by subscribing to our channel and do hit the like and share buttons. Use the comment section to rate our video.